Hello everybody, I'm Livia Zaharia, founder of GlucoseDAO, and today we are going to show you how you can control your glucose and not let glucose control you. I'm also type 1 diabetic, and I use this kind of device called continuous glucose monitor to monitor my glucose across the day. And during a 24-hour time span, you can see there are lots of variations going up and down with huge fluctuations. What is more important are the three key aspects: the extreme lows associated with hunger, the extreme high when you input food or drinks, and what happens after. These things are common to both diabetic and non-diabetic people. However, the main differences between the two is that for a type 1 diabetic, it is hard to keep in range. And when I mention range is the safe area where you can have your fluctuations without any consequences. In case of diabetic people, you have these huge highs or low, which are hard to compensate. I thought that the best thing I could do was prediction. It would be simple and would prevent any exiting from range. So on Hugging Face space that you can actually access via the QR on the right, we deployed this open source transformer model developed by one of our advisors to see how prediction would work. And we also had this sugar game where you have to test human prediction ability. It's a benchmark of human prediction, which you might think it as a game, but for me and millions of other diabetics, it's just our daily life. You have only the input data, and you have to know what will happen in the future. In such case, I think GlucoseDAO is a correct and useful approach for our community. We have a foundational glucose prediction model fine-tuned for a specific user, so we have greater accuracy per person, and this person can also contribute to our training datasets. Also, you can have this grouping of datasets, foundational glucose model, and benchmarking considered together, and that's another of our innovation. And all of this can be accessed via APIs to a variety of apps. This is our team. I want to mention our scientific advisory board, which has first authors and developers of Gluformer and GlucoBench, also leading CGM's expert. If you want to know more about us, you can connect us via social media using the QR codes, or just use our latest release of chatbot where you can ask questions regarding GlucoseDAO, recent scientific papers regarding glucose and diabetes, and any other question you'd like to ask. Thank you for your attention.